Today I'm going to show you a new haul from Inlovearts, and I'm going to start with each die and my sample. Okay, so for example, right here I have this beautiful die that you can use it for a pocket, you can use it for a card. I made a card and I want to show you how you can decorate your card. And look at this. See, this is the side. It cuts like this, okay? And as you can see right here, there is one flower that you can cut it out, and I just glue it on top to give more dimension to the die, because these two flowers were like almost the same size. So I just put one more layer on top and then the rhinestone, and for this big one I just left it like that, and then I cut out again two more layers of this flower and I glue it up here because it was kind of empty. These letters are from Inlovearts as well. I'm going to put all the links in the description box, okay? So this is one of the samples. I'm gonna show you another one, and it's this one right here. This die looks like a wreath and it has roses and leaves, so I use it for a card. And I just use my color pencils and I color the roses and the leaves, and then I layer with these two papers, and this one is from Inlovearts as well, and I just put hello on top, and this is a very nice card. That's another one, and I'm gonna show you one more card right here, and the dies that I use is this one. It's a set of 2 dies, and this is a set of these 2 dies right here. See, these two comes together, and I use the big one for my card, and I just cut out the other one so you can see the size. And this is my card. See, this is the big die right here. I cut it in gold. See this one? And it looks like this. See, I just put this one at the bottom, then I made 2 layers of paper, and then this one is from Inlovearts as well. And then I use again more of the sentiments from Inlovearts, and I just put I adore you. So this is another sample. See, and then I use my ribbon. It has some tulle right here, so it looks very delicate, okay? And then some pearls right here. See, okay? And for this one right here, I cut it out in gold, and look how beautiful and big, and also in white, so you can see. I'm going to show you at the back. Look at these. See, you can use it for a card or for a frame. And right here, if you put white on white, it looks so delicate too. See, so that's another sample. And now I'm gonna show you one more card. And here is another set of dies, and it comes 2, okay? As you can see right here, these 2 frames, and this one has hearts all around, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is my sample right here. See, this is the frame that you can place on your card and decorate it, or you can put a picture on top if you are doing, for example, a mini album or Valentine's Day or something. And then I just put a satin ribbon and a flower. And this one was card that I cut it. The sentiment was from a card from Dollar Tree. See, so this is the sample, and this is the little one, the little frame. See, that's the size. Okay, so those are my samples for this die. Then this is another set of dies that I got from Inlovearts, and there are two in here, okay? This border die and also this one. And I want to show you this one. It doesn't have right here an edge to cut, so you can make this one longer and you decide the size that you want, okay? So you can make like a frame or longer, and just cut the paper the size that you want, and then just put this one on at the edge, okay? And I'm gonna show you what I made with this. And I just cut this one, but I didn't use it. And here is the sample, okay? So I'm going to show you what I made with the big one. And this is my project. It's a small brag book. And as you can see, I use this die right here. And only for the cover, I cover with a paper all the way to this part. Okay, with a layer of paper, I cover all the way here. But in the pages, you can see the whole design, okay? So this is from Inlovearts as well, this heart. It's a set of different sizes, okay? So I love this one, the heart. And right here, this is a sticker. And then up here, I use some eyelash yarn. And then I decorated with this button. Now I'm gonna show you what's inside. It looks like this, and it's very simple, but with the pictures, it's going to be a very lovely brag book. And you don't have to put a lot of decoration because the edges are so lovely that it just enhances the page, see? So I just put the stickers on the side and then some rhinestone. And right here, as you can see, this is the eyelash trim that I just went all around. And I used some of this gold string, so it can have some little embellishment too, okay? So this is how it looks, this page, then this page. See, a sticker. Then right here, and you can place nice pictures in there. And this is another page, and I use many papers of my stash. They are from different collections. See, and then this one right here. And this one, and this is the back. It was very, very simple. So this is my project for this die. Now I'm gonna show you one more, and it's this one right here, okay? I got these oval frames, and this is a set of 3. This one doesn't cut in the center, so if you want to make a hole for a frame, you have to use this one, okay? Or as I made in my sample, okay, I cut one of these and there is gold all the way, okay, behind. And then I use this one for cutting my sentiment, and then I place it on top of the gold paper. See, and this is my sample for this oval frame die. And for the small one, I forgot to cut one, but it's the same. And this one has a cutter right here, so this one is going to cut 2 pieces, okay? The oval and then the outside. You probably have seen the video of this journal, and as you can see right here, I also use this trim from Inlovearts. So beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna show you more projects. Now for my next project, I use these dies, and these are the 12 months of the year, okay? So those are in handwriting, and it looks so super beautiful. And you probably have seen this one in another video. It's another journal that I made, and this is how it looks. Okay, as you can see, so super beautiful. And I also use this die from Inlovearts, and this is the one, and it comes in a set of 2. So looks so super beautiful as well. It looks like filigrane. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how the months look. See, this is January. And these dies are very useful for journals, planners, even for mini albums. If you are doing like monthly pictures, you can just label them, okay? So I'm going to show you more projects. And the next die is so super beautiful, and I seen this one in other videos or pictures in Instagram. People is sharing. It's so super beautiful. I couldn't resist to get this one, and I made 2 samples. Okay, and they are like this. Look, this one, this is how it looks. Okay, and I just put a sticker right here, and then I glue this ribbon. And you don't need to tie it, because this one, it has the shape like that. After you put them together, it closes. Okay, you don't need to close with anything. And then when you want to open, you just press right here on the sides, and then you just close like this. So it's so cute, and you can fit a lot of small stuff in there, and it's going to be a very nice gift for Valentine's or for any occasion, because it has the shape of a heart right here, and you know, share some love. Okay, so this is, oh, and I wanted to share with you that I thought that I had to cut 2 pieces of this to make one, but no, you just have to cut 1, and this one is 6 inches, so you can use your 6 inches paper, or you can make 4 of these with 1 12 by 12. See, this one has less than 6, but this side right here, the big one, is 6 inches exactly. Okay, so I just use 1 paper, and then you just fold it, glue this one on the side, and voila, you have a beautiful box. And right here I have the other one, and I made a window right here using that die that I show you. This one right here, okay, one of the small ones, and then I decorated with the edge in another color, and then right here I just put this string in gold, and I pass it through, but I put a but I made a knot so it stays, and then you just open, see, and get your stuff, and then you just decorate, tying the string right here. They are so super cute, right? See, you can cut 1 window or 2 like I did, or just use it like this. Okay, just decorating with a sticker or something. So those are these boxes, and I'm going to leave it up here because I'm going to show you another box, and it's this one right here, and I thought that they were almost the same size, but no, this one is bigger. And for this one, yeah, you have to get a bigger paper. It doesn't fit in a 6 by 6. Okay, you have to use one of the 12 by 12s. And this one, and for this one, I made this box. See, as you can see, it's wider. And for this one, you have to cut 2 pieces of this. Okay, so you put them together, gluing this folding. Okay, and then you just put one on top of the other, and then this one at the bottom. Oh, and another thing that I want to show you is that this part should cut right here, but it makes just a crease, but when you make the box, you have to cut right here, okay? Only this part up here, you have to cut it. So you can make the folding right here, okay? And this is how it looks. As you can see, it's kind of, it's big, right? And like in the other box, you don't need to tie the ribbon through this side right here or put magnets or Velcro, nothing, because it closes, snapping together. Okay, and as you can see, it has a good size right here. And look, has a big size, so you can put something bigger. And I'm going to put the sizes together so you can see. And the edge right here is super beautiful too. See? See, this is wider, and right here too on the sides. See? So those are my samples, and I just wanted to show you the difference between these two boxes. So these are all my samples, and I hope it inspires you if you already have these dies or if you want to buy. I'm going to put all the links in the description box, and have fun crafting. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.